Welcome to the Fusion PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up an inbound route in Fusion PBX. To begin, hover over Dial Plan and click on Destinations. Click on Add. In the Type field, select Inbound. Type in the number provided by Voxtelesys as your destination. Under Actions, assign where this number routes. For example, you could have it route to an extension. Click on Save, and you can see that the inbound number has been added. If you click on Back, you can see that your inbound route has been created. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an inbound route in Fusion PBX. Check back for more helpful guides as we're continually adding new content.